Hello kids, good morning to all. Are you happy? Okay, today is our maths class. Let us see the rhymes. Good. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1 and 2, buckle my shoe. 3 and 4, shut the door. 3 and 4, shut the door. 5 and 6, pick up the sticks. 5 and 6, pick up the sticks. 7 and 8, lay them straight. 7 and 8, lay them straight. 9 and 10, ya big fat hen, ya big fat hen, ya big fat hen. 9 and 10, ya big fat hen, ya big fat hen, ya big fat hen. Again, 1 and 2, buckle my shoe. 3 and 4, shut the door. 5 and 6, pick up the sticks. 7 and 8, lay them straight. 9 and 10, ya big fat hen. Okay, cuties, are you enjoy the rhymes? This is a pandemic time, so you cannot play outside with your friends, right? You have very bored in your home. Let us see one activity. What are the things we need for this activity? 2 mats, otherwise waste box sheet. Okay, let us play. You jump on the first mat. Okay, sit. Take the mat, keep in front of you. Again stand, then jump on the mat. Sit. Keep in front of you. Good. Jump. Very good. Sit. Take the mat, keep in front of you. Good, good, good. Stand, jump. Very good. Turn, turn, turn. Good. Again you jump, friend. Take the mat and keep in front of you. Okay. So what are the uses of this activity? This activity is good exercise for us. This helps us for your brain development and increase the concentration level, then thinking power also. Okay, not only that, our kids' bones and muscles also strong by this activity. Okay children, are you enjoy this activity? Okay kids, in previous class already we learned numbers 1 to 10. Let us recall one time. Yes, 1 strawberry. 2 balls. Then 3 handbags. 4 dolls. 5 cars. 6 frogs. Good. 7 cups. 8 apples. 9 juices. Then 10 birds. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, are you clear about this? Good. Shall we move next one? Look at this picture. What is this? Count and circle the number. Count and circle the number. What is meant by count and circle the number? You have to count the pictures and find out the numbers. Then you want to circle it. That is count and circle the number. Are you understand? Okay. Let us move. What is this? House. How many? Only 1. How many? Only 1. So this number is 1. Okay. Now you want to identify and circle the number. Is it 1? No. Is it 1? No. Is it 1? Yes. Very good. Is it 1? This number is 1. So you want to circle the number. Good. Are you identify the number? Which one is 1? Good. Let us move the second one. What are these? Cars. Very good. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Say 4 cars. Okay. Is it 4? No. Is it 4? No. Is it 4? Yes. Is it 4? So what do you want to do? You want to circle the number. Good. This number is 4. Okay. What is the next picture? Look at here. Trees. Good. Are you seeing that? Very nice. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 trees. Okay. So which one is 8? You want to find out here. Is it 8? No. Is it 8? No. Is it 8? Yes. Is it 8? So you want to circle this number. This number is 8. Okay. Look at this. What are these? Bats. Do you know? What are these? Bats. Very good. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally how many bats? 9 bats. Okay. So which one is here? 9. This is 9. No. This is 9. No. This is 9. Yes. This number is 9. So you want to circle the number. Number 9. Okay. Next one. What are these? Mangoes. Do you like to eat mangoes? Okay. How is it? Sweet or bitter? It is very sweet. Okay. Let us count how many? 1, 2, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. So this number is 3. Which one is 3 here? You find out. Is it 3? No. Is it 3? No. Is it 3? Yes. Is it 3? What do you want to do? You want to circle the number. This is 3. So you want to circle this number. Okay. Then next one. What are these? Very good. Dolls. Do you play with the dolls? Yes. Say how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. So here, which one is 5? You want to find out. Is it 5? No. Is it 5? No. Is it 5? Yes. Is it 5? So you want to circle this number. This is 5. Good. Next one. What are these? Roses. Do you like roses? Yes. Where do you want to keep? In your head. Very good. How many? 1, 2. How many? 1, 2. Here, which one is 2? Is it 2? No. Is it 2? No. Is it 2? Yes. Is it 2? So you want to circle this number. This number is 2. Okay. Let us see next one. What are these? Do you know motorbike? Yes. Very good. How many? You want to count this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 7. So which one is 7 here? Is it 7? No. Is it 7? Yes. Is it 7? So what do you want to do here? You want to circle the number. So you want to circle here. Okay. This is 7. Next. What are these? Good lollipop. Do you like? Yes. All the children like very much this lollipop. Good. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 lollipops. Okay. Where is 6? You want to find? Is it 6? Is it 6? Is it 6? Yes. Is it 6? So you want to circle the number 6. Okay. What are these? Caps. What are these? Caps. Good. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Totally how many caps? 10 caps. Okay. Where is the 10 here? Is it 10? No. Is it 10? No. Is it 10? Yes. Is it 10? So you have to circle the number 10. One important thing, while you are counting, you don't see here and there. If you do means you make mistake. So you count carefully one by one. Don't count here and there. One by one you want to count carefully. Then only you find out the correct answer. Okay, let us move next one. Okay, just before we do, count and circle the number. Okay, now we want to do count and tick the number. See, what is mean by count and tick the number? Yes, first you want to count the pictures, then you want to identify the number, then you want to tick. Before you have to circle the number, but now you want to tick the numbers. Okay, good. Look at here. What are these? Balls. Very good. Do you play with the balls? Yes, all the children like to play with balls. Say how many shall we count? 1, 2, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. Totally how many balls? 3 balls. Here, which number is 3? You want to find out? Is it 3? No. Is it not? Is it 3? No. Is it 3? Yes. Is it 3? So what do you want to do here? Circle or tick? Yes. You want to tick here. You find out the correct number. Then you want to tick the number. Here this number is 3. So you want to tick it. This number is 3. Okay. Let us see the ice creams. Do you like ice creams? Yes. It is very hot or cool? It is very cool. Good. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ice creams. Okay. Now you find out the number. Which one is 5? Is it 5? No. Is it 5? Yes. Is it 5? So what do you want to do? You want to tick the number 5. You want to tick the number 5. Good. Next, look at here. What are these? Teddy bears. Good. How many? 1, 2. 1, 2. Totally 2 teddy bears only here. Okay, which one is 2? This is 2? No. This is 2? No. This is 2? Yes, this is 2. So what do you want to do? You want to tick the number. Yes, is it 2? So you want to tick the 2. Good. Next, what are these? Parrots. What are these? Parrots. Very good. How many? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parrots. Totally 7 parrots. So which one is 7 here? You find out. Is it 7? No. Is it not? Good. Is it 7? No. Is it 7? Yes. Is it 7? So what you want to do? You want to circle here? No. You want to tick here. So you want to select the correct answer. Then tick it. Good. Next, what are these? Cups. What are these? Cups. Okay, morning you have milk, otherwise tea or coffee. You drank from the cup. Good. Okay. How many? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally how many cups? 10 cups. Okay. Here you find out which one is the 10. This is 10. No. This is 10. No. This is 10. Yes. This is 10. So you want to pick the number. Okay. Let us move the next one. What is this? Apple. Only one apple. So here which one is 1? You easily find out now which one is 1. Yes. Is it 1? No, is it not? Is it 1? Yes, it is 1. So what do you want to do? You want to tick the number 1. Okay. Next. What are these? Clocks. Very good. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally how many clocks? 8 clocks. Okay. Is it 8? No. Is it 8? No. Is it 8? Yes. Is it 8? So what you want to do? You want to tick the number. Tick the number 8. Okay. Say what are these goodies? Dogs. Okay, all the house have dogs? Yes, it is our pet animal also. Very good. Let us count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally how many dogs? 6 dogs. Is it 6? No. Is it 6? No. Is it 6? Yes. Is it 6? So what you want to do? You want to tick the number. Is it 6? So you want to tick the number. Okay. Let us move the next one. What are these? Butterflies. Do you know? It has more colors. It is a colorful insect. Okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 butterflies. Okay. Is it 4? No. Is it 4? No. Is it 4? Yes. Is it 4? So what you want to do here? You want to tick the number 4. Okay. Let us see the last one. What are these? Fishes. What are these? Fishes. Where it live? In water. Very good. Let us count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 fishes. Okay. Here which one is 9? Is it 9? No. Is it 9? Yes. Is it 9? So you want to tick the number 9. Okay, cuties, are you understand how to count and circle the number? How to count and tick the number? Okay, are you understand clearly? Yes. Now you understand the numbers also. Which one is 1, which one is 2, which one is 3, which one is 4, which one is 5, then 6 and 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now can you identify the numbers also? Are you clear? Yes. In the beginning of the class, you do one activity, no? Yes. That likewise you also do that activity in your home. Okay. We will meet in next class. Thank you.